then hi, I'm Shreya and this video is going to be what I eat in a day. So it's a beautiful Sunday morning and weather काफी अच्छा हो रखा है. It's raining outside, which is so nice. I'm feeling a little experimental today. Like I can cook a few things. I want to try some new recipes. So this video is going to be all about that. So right now I'm having my chai. I'm a total chai person and ये एकदम proper दूध और चीनी वाली चाय है, which is the best thing. I'm pretty much just sitting outside and I just had my chai, but now it's time for breakfast, and for my breakfast I'm going to make omelette. But ये वाला जो omelette है, it's going to be different because I have decided to add a special, my favorite ingredient this time. So all the people who know me, they know how much I love आलू. So मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं अपने ऑमलेट में आज आलू डाल के देखूंगी. एंड बाय द वे इट्स अ रियल थिंग. ऐसा नहीं है कि आई एम मेकिंग इट अप. देयर आर पीपल हु पुट पोटैटोज इन देयर ऑमलेट. सो लेट्स मेक दैट. Breakfast was pretty heavy and I don't really feel like having lunch. So मैंने सोचा है कि हम थोड़ा कुछ light सा बनाएंगे, something that is healthy and little filling. So we are going to make peanut butter smoothie. This is like the easiest recipe and इसके लिए हमें सिर्फ 3-4 चीज़ें चाहिए, which is milk, brown sugar और honey, banana. Last and the most important ingredient is the peanut butter. So the peanut butter that I'm going to use is the Myfitness peanut butter. It is full of protein, has healthy fats, zero cholesterol and zero trans fat. And the best part is it has no sugar, no salt, no preservative, which makes it 100% natural, and yet it tastes so good. By the way, इसके दो flavors आते हैं. So this one is chocolate and this is the original peanut butter. So right now I'll make the smoothie with this one, the original peanut butter, and then in the evening I'll probably try out the chocolate one. So let's go make our peanut butter smoothie.
post-workout snack, I'm going to have 2 slices of bread and chocolate peanut butter. After all, it's a great source of protein after a good workout, so why not? So if you want to buy this peanut butter for yourself, you can go and check out the description down below, and there you'll find the link.
Okay, done with my workout. Now it's time for dinner, and dinner ke liye, as I said, I am feeling a little experimental today. So I will be making aglio olio spaghetti pasta. So I looked up online and मुझे पता चला कि इसकी जो recipe है, it is very easy. So I thought I should give it a try. I know it's not a very healthy decision to eat pasta after a workout, but it's Sunday, so it's okay, right? So let's go to the kitchen. So this one turned out to be exceptionally great, and I'm so shocked and surprised at the same time. I feel you should try out all these recipes because everything was so easy and so yummy. And in the end, if you like this video, don't forget to actually like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then,